Today I'm making meatball soup. Welcome to White Shadow Fare. Make it homemade and make it with love. With 2 pounds of meat, go ahead and make bite-sized meatballs. Bake them in the oven at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Put them off to the side to cool and start chopping and peeling your carrots, your potatoes, and your onions. Place the potatoes in cool water. This delicious soup makes a huge pot, which is perfect for future meals, lunches, and freezing. Depending on the size of your onions, you're going to use somewhere between 2 and 3. And then go ahead and dice up 2 cups of celery. You're cooking this over a medium-high heat. A tablespoon or 2 of oil to a large pot and add your onions. After about 5 minutes, go ahead and stir in the rest of your vegetables. That'll be your carrots and your celery. Keep the potatoes for later. After a few minutes, go ahead and add some garlic, and then you're going to pour into this mixture 28 ounces of tomato sauce and 28 ounces of diced tomatoes. Add 12 cups of beef broth. Drain your potatoes and add them to the pot. Bring to a low boil. Add 6 ounces of tomato paste. Three to 4 bay leaves. 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 2 tablespoons of dried parsley, one teaspoon of black pepper. Go ahead and add the meatballs to the soup. And now that it's boiling, I'm going to turn down the heat a little bit and let it cook for 30 minutes. Make sure that your potatoes and carrots are tender. Once that is done, go ahead and add 12 ounces of fresh or frozen green beans. Adjust your seasoning at this point in time. Sometimes I add a little bit of better than bouillon beef flavor, which is quite salty, so you do not need to add any salt if you're going to be using that. After about 10 to 15 minutes, you're ready to enjoy this hearty, wonderful soup. I hope you'll give this soup a try. We often add egg noodles. Just be sure to cook those separately and add them to the bowl and put the soup on top. This makes enough for several meals and freezes well for those future nights when you're super busy and you need to get something on the table quickly. If you haven't already done so, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching White Shadow Fare.